Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. How you can use a two Facebook application in one Android phone. So in today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can use a two Facebook application in Samsung smartphone. You can try that on other Android devices as well. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your phone. Once you are on the settings, you need to scroll down where you will find advanced features. You need to tap on that. From here, you need to scroll down where you will find dual messenger option. You need to tap on dual messengers, and here, as you can see, I can create another copy of a WhatsApp, Facebook, or Line application. So if you have a Facebook Messenger, you can also have Facebook Messenger, another copy of that as well. So all you need to do is to enable the dual messenger. If I tap on that one and they ask that do you want to install a copy of a Facebook, you need to tap on install, and they say it is already installed. I'm going to show you here. As you can see, if there is a copy, the second one, it will have this a small icon, as you can see, associated. This is the second copy, and I have the other one here, as you can see. So there is no icon there associated with that, and this is the second copy. So guys, this is all it takes to use a two Facebook application in Android smartphone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.